Lovely. So, blender. And the first thing what we're going to do, we're going to put the hard stuff. 1 medium-sized green apple. I cut it up just now. All right. We're going to put some fresh ginger straight inside of it. All right. And we're going to put 1 key lime straight inside of it. Just like that. And now we are going to get the parsley. I'm going to put a portion of parsley inside of it. So the parsley and the key lime and the ginger and the green apple is for you to get that beautiful detoxing inside of the system this morning that we are making. All right, then I'm gonna put some pineapple. All right, yeah, that's the pineapple right there. I know that this is not a big blender, so what we're gonna do is blend it up a little bit, then we add the rest of the ingredients to it. All right. Yeah, so once I blend it up like that, then what you want to do, get cucumber. We're gonna put half a cucumber straight inside of it. All right, good vibes. So you can see exactly what I've been doing. Then we're going to add some water, roughly about a cup of water to it, and then we're going to blend it up. All right, let's get rid of all of that blending like this. We're not gonna put any, to be honest with you, if you got some good organic honey, all right, you can put some organic honey inside of it. I forgot about my honey right here. Yeah. If you have good organic honey, if you don't have, don't stress yourself too much. All right, let's put a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. Then we're going to take it to a blend again. Look at that. Excellent. Lovely. Then we're gonna pour it out like this. Lovely. So you can see it for yourself. That looking fantastic and an amazing. And it is something totally different where you know you guys can also make at home. All right. So you can see that looks delicious right here. take off some of this front, you know. Yeah. And I guess give it a mix. Look at that beautiful drink. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Excellent and delicious. So what you want to do, you want to pour it out. All right, as you can see, that looking delicious. Look at this. That is lovely. That is what I'm talking about. Also remember, you can get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. All right, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, guys. All right, yeah man, a good vibes. So this is another drink which you can also drink in the morning, in the evening, before you go to bed. So a good vibes. Big up on yourself, and whatever you do, stay blessed. And we have so much